I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to use our gourmet tomato soup, and that is to make tomato tortellini soup with it. I start by combining 2 pints of the gourmet tomato soup to my pan. And then I add 2 cups of the 3 cheese dried tortellini. I get this in the bulk section of our local grocery store. And then I'll get that on the stove, heat it up until that tortellini is nice and soft. You'll want to get the soup up to a nice rolling boil. It takes a while to get those hard tortellinis to be soft. You don't want to make them over soft though, so if you're unsure, just go ahead and pull one out and sample it. Everybody likes their noodles at a little different point. I ended up boiling the soup for about 18 minutes before those noodles were tender enough for me. The final optional step is to add 1/4 of a cup of cream. And this just makes it just a little on the creamy side, obviously. Get that mixed in. And we are all ready